You can enjoy seamless Fortnite gameplay across your Xbox and PS5 by linking your accounts to a single Epic Games account. This unlocks the cross progression, letting you access your V-Bucks, skins, and progress on both platforms. Simply visit Fortnite.com in a web browser, sign into your Epic Games account, and connect your Xbox and PlayStation Network accounts to the Apps and Accounts section. This merges your gaming identities, ensuring a unified experience across the consoles. And here's how you can go ahead and link your account. First, you need to go to Epic Games website, open a browser, and then go to Fortnite. After that, you need to go ahead and log into your existing Epic Games account. Navigate to your account settings, click on your profile icon, select account, and then go ahead and find linked accounts in the left-hand menu and select apps and accounts or linked accounts. Then connect your Xbox. Find the Xbox icon, click on connect, and then sign into your Xbox account to link it. Connect your PlayStation. Repeat the same process for PlayStation Network PSN. Click on connect and then sign in with your PS5 account details. You can also download Fortnite on PS5. Launch the Fortnite on your PS5, log in with the same Epic's account, and now your Xbox, progress, and items will be available on your PS5, creating a unified Fortnite experience with a cross-play and cross-progression. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.